Hazrat Abu Qatada radiyallahu anhu says, one day I was sitting along with some of the Prophet's companions at a place on the way to Makkah Mukarramah, and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had dismounted at a place ahead. The people were wearing ihram, whereas I was not wearing it. So some people saw an onager while I was busy repairing my shoes. The people did not tell me about it, but they wished I might have seen it. So I looked up and saw it. I went quickly towards my horse, saddled it, and rode on it, but forgot to take my whip and spear. So I asked them to hand over to me the whip and the spear, but they replied, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we will not help you in any way. Thus I got exasperated, dismounted the horse, took both things, and again rode on. Then I attacked the onager, knocked it down, and then brought it after slaughtering it. Then I put it before the people, and they started eating it. Then they fell in doubt about eating it because they had worn the ihram. We then set out, and I had hidden its shoulder with me. When we reached Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we inquired him about it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, do you have anything out of it? I replied in the positive and presented him that shoulder. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam ate it till it got exhausted, and he was wearing the ihram. Zayd bin Aslam, Ata bin Yasar reported it from Hazrat Qatada. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2570.